Today we are going to cook a delicious dish, very high in proteins and complemented with vegetables.
Soak the chickpeas overnight in water. Cook the chickpeas. For this dish you will need some broccolis, some fresh spinach, 1 carrot, 1 sweet potato, 1 pepper, some cumin seeds, some coriander powder and dried apricots. Add some ghee or vegetable oil in a pan. Add the cumin seeds. Add the chopped carrots. Add the chopped sweet potato. Mix well. Add the chopped bell pepper. Mix well. And let it cook with the lid on. Add the broccoli. Mix well. And let it cook with the lid on. Add the chickpea. Mix well. Add the fresh spinach leaves. Wet with the cooking juice of the chickpeas. Let it cook for a minute and add the coriander powder. To finish, add the chopped dried apricots. Mix well and it is ready. You can enjoy this dish with some rice and grated coconut.